Relationships thrive on a fine line between being there and being away, and occasionally, making someone yearn for your presence is a crucial aspect of that rhythm. It's not about manipulation. It's about fostering a genuine and unforgettable bond that highlights your absence in a positive light. If your goal is to create a lasting impact and keep her thinking of you, there are numerous tactics you can employ. Let's dive into 9 powerful methods to ensure she longs for you. Are you prepared to make her heart flutter with desire? Let's begin. 1. Be a bit mysterious. There's something incredibly enticing about a touch of mystery. When you allow yourself to be a bit enigmatic, you spark curiosity and intrigue. You don't need to reveal everything about yourself right away. Instead, share glimpses of who you are, leaving her wanting more. This sense of mystery will make her think about you more often, wondering what you're up to and what lies beneath the surface. The allure of the unknown can be a powerful tool in making her miss you. 2. Create memorable moments. Memorable moments are the foundation of lasting impressions. Think about the times you've spent together. What made them special? Whether it was a spontaneous adventure, a heartfelt conversation, or simply sharing a quiet moment, those experiences become cherished memories. When you make an effort to create unforgettable moments, you ensure that she holds onto these memories and misses the times you spent together. It's not just about being present, but about making your presence unforgettable. 3. Be confident and independent. Confidence is incredibly attractive. When you exude self-assurance and independence, you project strength and allure. It's essential to have your own hobbies, passions, and social life. When you're thriving on your own and living your life fully, it highlights your self-worth and makes her appreciate you even more. Your confidence and independence will make her miss you because she'll see the value in having you around and the void your absence creates. 4. Give her space. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. It's important to strike a balance between being present and giving her space. If you're constantly around, she might begin to take you for granted. By giving her some time to herself, you create a sense of longing and appreciation. When you're not there, she'll have the opportunity to reflect on the times you've spent together and realize just how much she misses you. Space can be a beautiful thing when used wisely. 5. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is key to a deep connection. When you engage in conversation, make sure you're genuinely interested and attentive. Listen actively, respond thoughtfully, and show that you value her thoughts and feelings. Good communication fosters a strong emotional bond, and when you're not around, she'll miss those meaningful interactions. The depth of your conversations will be something she yearns for when you're not there. 6. Show genuine interest in her life. Make her feel special by showing a genuine interest in her life, my dear. Ask about her passions, dreams, and daily experiences. When you're attentive and supportive, you make her feel valued and appreciated. This emotional investment will make her miss you more because she'll recognize how much you cared about her and how much your presence meant to her. Your interest in her life creates a deeper connection that she'll miss when you're not around. 7. Maintain a sense of humor. Laughter is a wonderful way to connect. A good sense of humor can make your time together enjoyable and memorable. When you can make her laugh and bring joy into her life, it creates positive associations with you. When you're not around, she'll miss the fun and light-hearted moments you shared. A shared sense of humor adds a special touch to your relationship that she'll long for when you're absent. 8. Be thoughtful and kind. Kindness and thoughtfulness leave a lasting impression. Small gestures of affection, like a sweet note, a thoughtful gift, or a kind word, can have a significant impact. When you show that you care through your actions, you create a sense of warmth and appreciation. She'll miss the way you made her feel special and cherished. Your thoughtfulness will be a constant reminder of what she's missing when you're not there. 9. Create a unique bond. Establishing a unique bond between the two of you can make your relationship stand out, my love. Whether it's an inside joke, a shared passion, or a special routine, having something that's uniquely yours makes your connection special. When you have these unique aspects of your relationship, they become a part of her daily life. When you're not around, she'll miss the special bond you share and the unique place you hold in her heart. Use these 9 techniques to make her long for your company and value your presence even more. It's all about crafting unforgettable moments, displaying sincere interest, and maintaining an air of mystery. By exuding confidence, independence, and kindness, you'll leave a lasting impression that will have her eagerly anticipating your next encounter. Remember, it's not about manipulation, but about forming a genuine and meaningful bond. When you're considerate, engaging, and thoughtful, you create a void in her life when you're not around. Embrace these strategies to cultivate a deeper connection and let your charisma and thoughtfulness shine. You've got this, darling. Now go out there and make her yearn for you like never before.